Hi, I'm Manisha. I'm a software professional. Our friend introduced Rezt+Relax. They had very good reviews, so we hired them for our home reno. Carlesa and Alicia were our interior designers. They were very helpful and provided us with lots of options. They guided us through the designs and were very open to our suggestions. I love my house, especially the kitchen. It is brighter and bigger than before. It has lots of storage, and the overall layout makes the right use of space. Despite their busy schedule, they were very responsive to all our queries. Since there is a lifetime warranty, we don't have to worry much. Thanks a lot, Rezt+Relax, and also Carlisa and Alicia.